mga ka-home foodies, have you ever wondered ano pa ba ang pwedeng gawin with mayonnaise? Aside from pangpahid sa tinapay ha, yung parang sandwich spread siya, o kaya yung pang-mix ng salad natin. Well, I'm excited to share with you a very personal recipe na tinuro sa akin ng aking BFF. Ang creamy baked salmon o pang-weekend special yan ha, na gumagamit ng Magnolia Real Mayonnaise and Magnolia QuickMelt Cheese. Pag Magnolia talaga, celebrate goodness every day. So tara sa aming kitchen at gawin natin itong madalicious recipe na ito. Ako nga pala si Liana Tan Arcenas for Food Swings. Gawin na natin ang creamy baked salmon. So i-pat dry natin ang ating salmon. So gumamit ng paper towel. Pagkatapos, i-rub natin ang ating pepper. So, sprinkle and rub. If you have white pepper, then that's better. No? Pero since matatago naman din siya sa mayonnaise, hindi na kailangan. And samahan na rin natin ang ating crushed garlic. Yung medyo pasty na. Siyempre, parang garlicky yung taste. So, all over. Hanggang ilalim. Ngayon, ililipat natin kasi ito sa ating lalagyan. So, pati ilalim, lagyan nyo na. Kung mahilig kayo kumain ng balat, ng skin, then you can, rub it also. Alam nyo, pag bumibili pala kayo ng salmon, no, dapat i-check nyo na kailangan firm yung flesh, maganda yung skin, yung niya, very firm, shiny, at hindi slimy. And when you press the flesh, dapat nagsispring back pa siya. Yan ang signs ng freshness ng salmon, or any other fish for that matter. Pagkatapos, we will generously cover this with Magnolia Real Mayonnaise. Yan, di ba? Hindi maiisip na mayo sa isda. Kaya alam niyo, nung tinuro to sa akin ng BFF ko, talagang wow na wow ako eh. Kasi tsaka yung mayonnaise helps keep yung moisture ng fish. Kaya pag kinain mo to, ang juicy niya pa. Tapos ang lasa-lasa kasi nga, di ba, fat din yung mayo, so flavor carrier siya. So, generous kasi gusto natin mag-form siya ng parang crust. Parang pakakapalin mo siya, parang cake yung dating. Parang icing siya. Yan. So, generously cover. Ang sarap ng pag-crust nito pag pinasok natin sa oven. So, you can do this, like just swirl it na parang white icing yung dating ng mayonnaise, no? Or, pwede kang kumuha ng fork, tapos, lagyan mo ng parang design. This is good already. But sabi ko, pwede mo nga lagyan ng design using a fork. So, pwede mong lagyan ng swirl. Put in our cream of mushroom powdered mix. Sift natin siya. So, mga half pack ng cream of mushroom. This adds flavor also sa ating dish. Ito na yung parang pinaka-seasoning niya. Yeah. You know, pwede naman diretso ha. I'm saying pwede mong diretsong budbod. Pero maarte ako, tsaka gusto ko pantay. At tsaka yung solids ng cream of mushroom na powdered mix, masala siya. It has to be covered din. Masarap talaga to kung onion soup powder. Pero hindi yan available dito sa atin eh. Okay, so I think that's good enough. And we're ready to bake. All you have to do is put it in a preheated oven set to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and bake this for 40 minutes or until mag-crust siya. Maging parang golden brown siya. We've taken the salmon out of the oven and we're ready. Few steps na lang and we're done with this madalicious dish. So ang gagawin ko na is to combine ang ating Magnolia QuickMelt Cheese na grenade. Then ilalagay natin ang ating chopped parsley, snipped or chopped, will be fine. Oh, using gloves, I will mix parsley and cheese together. And then, pag maganda na yung distribution ng parsley sa ating Magnolia QuickMelt Cheese, ilalagay ko na siya sa ibabaw ng ating baked salmon. Diba? Iba talaga ang Magnolia. You can celebrate goodness every day. I'm so excited for this dish. Kasi alam ko na talagang masarap. Diba, pagsama Magnolia QuickMelt, naku, wala nang iba. Yan lang talaga magpapasarap ng dish nyo. Sabihin nyo, ang dami ng cheese sa akin, tama lang yan. Want it covered very well. Ayan, ready na ating salmon na tinop natin, Magnolia QuickMelt Cheese with parsley. So, ibabalik na natin siya sa ating oven. There you have it, isang bagong ideya using Magnolia Real Mayonnaise at mas pinasarap ng ginamitan natin ng Magnolia QuickMelt Cheese. Magnolia talaga, celebrating goodness every day. I do hope you enjoyed this session as much as I did kasi this is a very personal recipe that I am sharing. So I will see you again. I am Liana Tan Arsenas for Food Swings.
For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's HomeFoodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads. Dahil dito sa HomeFoodie, walang imposible. Lahat kayang gawing madalicious.